In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Bookmap in this full 2026 guide. To get started, head over to the Bookmap website and open the Bookmap user portal. This is where you'll manage your account, access downloads, and find the information you need to activate the software later on. Once you're there, sign into your existing Bookmap account. If you haven't created one yet, go ahead and set up a new account first so you can continue. After you sign in, take a moment to locate your Bookmap license key inside the portal. This is important because you'll need it the first time you open the platform after installation. It's a good idea to keep the portal open in your browser or copy the key somewhere secure so it's easy to access when prompted. Next, look for the section labeled Download and Install Bookmap. In that area, choose the version that matches your operating system, either Windows or Mac OS. You may also see different release types, including production, alpha, or beta. For most people, the best choice is the production version, since it's the standard stable release intended for everyday use. Alpha and beta builds are usually only necessary if you're testing newer features. Once you've selected the correct version, click Download and wait for the installer to finish downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. When the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the on-screen setup instructions. The installation process is usually straightforward, so just continue through each prompt until Bookmap is fully installed. After installation is finished, launch Bookmap from your desktop or applications folder. The first time it opens, you'll be prompted to activate the software. At that point, paste in your Bookmap license key and sign in if required. This step links the installation to your account and unlocks access to the platform. Once you're inside, the final setup step is to connect your preferred broker or market data provider. After that, add a trading symbol so you can begin viewing the market in Bookmap. If you're completely new to the platform, you can start with the free digital plan and upgrade later if you decide you need more features or expanded market data access. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and activated Bookmap, and you're ready to start exploring the platform.